you probably will be next week, so don't fret. I'm allowed to make a few mistakes because I'm the junior around.
Oh, you've got no idea what you're doing, Roger.
I'm the apprentice. Let's wrap up what we've been talking. Fibromyalgia.
Yeah.
Keep exercising?
Gently. You've got to do it gently because chronic fatigue is very much linked in with fibromyalgia. So one of the things with people with chronic fatigue is as soon as they use up that little bit of sugar in their muscles, they,
Do you reckon chronic fatigue would also be related to stress?
Absolutely. Because it's adrenal exhaustion and that is hugely linked in with both fibromyalgia as well as chronic fatigue syndrome. So without a doubt. So doing things to really help the stress get under control, things like meditation, yoga, Pilates, getting out for walks in the rainforest, walks on the beach, getting out into the ocean, so using nature as part of your thing. Good amounts of sunshine, morning and afternoon, not in the middle of the day, of course.
That's what I was saying to a friend who recently had a tragic experience, and she was at the coast and she said, it's raining. I said, go for a walk on the beach, rain or not, you'll enjoy it, it's refreshing, and she did that. And very true. Sometimes it's more invigorating.
Yeah.
On a rainy, windy day and the surf's smashing against the
it's lovely, isn't it?
And you get home and say, gee, that was good. It's just making that effort to get out.
It is. And I think if someone says, let's go for a walk, say yes. Make this your say yes year.
I'll tell you what, my experience in Belgium, and I'll hopefully be going back shortly, but walking over there is huge.
Yeah, right.
It is massive. They have all these walking trails. They have books that you register with clubs and you tick off that you've been on that walk and you've checked in at that checkpoint and so forth. Massive. And the clothing industry over there, for those who like to go hiking, multi-billion dollar industry.
Yeah. Yeah.
I thought cycling was big enough, but walking is even bigger.
Yeah, right.
And I think probably too because there's an age limit to when you can get on a bike and cycle.
Yes.
But you can walk to
Absolutely.
the day you die.
And I think making sure we do it every day. And I've said this before, there was a study released just a couple of months ago that looked at half an hour walking a day increases the size of the hippocampus in your brain, which is your memory centre. So walking is huge.
So after dinner at night?
Doesn't matter. Well, walking directly after dinner helps to balance your insulin levels. So if you think you might be diabetic or pre-diabetic, go for a walk.
Half an hour.
Yeah, and also if you're going to have something like fruit and you love your fruit, but you sort of shouldn't because you've got to keep your sugar levels down. If you have your fruit directly after a walk, you actually have a window of about half an hour where you don't get raised insulin levels from it.
You burn it up.
You do.
No Christmas cake though.
Well.
All right, that's my New Year's resolution. I'll stop the Christmas cake when I think I've got about 5 slices left. Madonna, lovely chatting.
Yeah.
And as I said, poor Jay will be back next Friday.
It's been a while since we chatted.
Oh, I'm sure it is. I look forward to having you back, but I won't be around. Look, all the very best. Enjoy the rest of your little break.
Fabulous.
And I dare say you're heading back to the pool.
I am.
See you next
Excellent.
Friday.
See you
Bye.
then. Bye.